Being outdoor gives us energy, makes us happier, helps us to relieve the everyday stress of our overscheduled lives, opens the door to creativity, helps us to be kind to others. Our forests, rivers, oceans, and soil provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water. We irrigate our crops because nature is free, often take it granted and overexploit it. Here we are going to perform before your small skin, compassionate towards nature.
Do you know who I am? I am nature, the Mother Earth. I give happiness to all. I am Mother Earth. A few decades back, I was very cheerful, so peaceful, happy, and free from fear. Who are you? Why are you crying? What happened to you? I am nature, the Mother Earth. I am polluted. I'm going to die. Now I'm suffering from pollution. Yes, suspended gases from factories, vehicles, burning of garbage, dust, etc. are polluting me. See, the creatures on the earth are dying. Achoo, achoo. Yes, I am suffering from toxic fever, liquid chemical waste, dump household waste, and oil leakage is polluting me. I am polluted. What can I do for save nature? Nature is the mother of all as it helps to sustain our life. It has been the companion since eternity. We are born on earth completely provided with everything. We are all dependent on nature for our needs such as food, air, oxygen, natural resources, and most importantly, it provided us a place where we live. Nature provides us love, care, nourishment, security, protection. Dear friends, it's our responsibility to save nature by our action. Be kind towards nature. If I am there, you are there. If I am not there, you are not there. If you are not there, I am still there. So save nature, save life. Thank you. Wow, I love the nature.